Well, hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Foodcast. This is Heather here. And
Hi, Patty over here.
hello.
Hello.
Today on episode 31, we are going to talk to you about cleaning products and how to do them a little more real. So I just know from my personal experience that I love a freshly cleaned house to start off the new year. I put away all the holiday decorations, get the tree out of the living room, and then I want to clean immediately because things just feel dusty and whatever. So rather than have my whole house smell like a gas station bathroom on the wait. I mean, like after they clean it.
Oh, I was like,
okay,
does that happen often?
No, we'll go with hospital.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Hospital. I like to use other things so it doesn't smell so institutional. Yeah, no, my house does not smell like a gas station bathroom. I apologize. That was a bad
can't
analogy.
get that out of my head now. I'm like, someone needs to see a doctor.
Or keep it in the bowl.
Yeah.
So speaking of hospitals, actually, I needed to update you, Miss Patty.
Oh, on
Do you
what?
remember way back in episode 25, we talked to Danny as our special guest?
Yeah, our special
Yes.
guest.
She's our nursing school friend.
Yeah.
Yep.
How's she doing?
She's doing well.
Good.
Lots of studying going on. And she said that she recently was feeling bronchitis coming on.
Ooh.
So I know it's winter. Everybody gets yuckiness. It's no good. But she said that she tried a lot of our suggestions that we have listed, on the, not necessarily here on the podcast, but also in the blogs and online and stuff. And she tried a bunch of our suggestions and said it made a world of difference.
Oh, yay. So I'm so happy to hear
that. Yeah. So I'm glad she's feeling better. And we wanted to give all of our listeners some of these suggestions. So if they come down with some winter blah, they can feel better too. So first and foremost, take a hot bath. Steamy hot.
That's
steamy
good.
hot.
Breaks up all the gunk in your chest and helps you get it out.
For real.
Plus, it's relaxing too. So sometimes it's hard to sleep when you don't feel well. So that's good. Maybe add a little Epsom salt to it as well.
I might also recommend a little eucalyptus.
Oh, yes. I would as well.
That cool smell is always really good for helping with that stuff. But not your regular kind of bath that I would take where you also have a glass of wine. You do not want to avoid the alcohol when you're not feeling well. One thing you would want to do also, in addition to steamy kind of stuff, you could even just put a pot of water on the stovetop and get the steaminess and just put your face right over it. Drink lots of water. Carefully, yes, please. Safety first.
Yes, you definitely want to up your intake of clear liquids when you're not feeling well so that you can stay hydrated, because you probably have a fever and so you're probably sweating a little. You just want to make sure that all your systems are working at optimal levels.
Yes. And you're flushing out all the whatever.
And it helps you get up because, sometimes you're sit there for a long time, but then, you got to go to the bathroom. So you got to get up and take a few steps.
Which is good for you. You've got to, move your muscles a little bit.
Exactly.
We, here in my house, we pound on the vitamin C. When somebody kind of feels something coming on, we'll take, a few thousand milligram and bump up the vitamin C throughout the day. And that really, I think, helps. Yeah, and avoid dairy.
Oh, yeah.
Not good when you're not feeling well. Yeah.
Well, those are good tips.
You know what milk looks like? That's what your head could look like.
Gross. This is an awful podcast.
Well, I was sick recently and I managed to give myself pink eye. So, that's really fun.
That's awesome.
Everyone goes, "Oh, who gave you pink eye?" I'm like, no, I actually gave it to myself because you can do that. Dirty tissues, dirty fingers, and then you touch things. Ew, gross. Yeah. Seriously, this is why a clean house is really important to me right now.
Well, yeah, especially if you have pink eye, you want to get rid of that so you don't spread it to the rest of the family.
Lord have mercy. I had a brand new mascara that's got to go in the trash.
Oh, that's the worst. Okay, not the worst, but that's not great.
I know. That's super sad.
That is sad.
I know. It was my new Young Living mascara.
Aw.
I know.
Have you
It's all
called
right.
customer service? They might feel
What,
bad
to
for you.
say I gave it pink eye?
No, but they might feel bad for you. Okay.
Oh, well,
I
yeah.
don't
And then
know.
they'll get off the phone and laugh at me. This
Right.
lady tried to get a free mascara because she gave herself pink eye. She doesn't know how to wash her hands, apparently. Okay, anyway, sorry. Totally off.
All
the
right. So
trail.
what do you not want to use
Okay,
to clean your house?
bleach
Ugh.
or ammonia, or God, never both together.
Never together. Good God. Oh my
They
God.
are like the worst couple ever.
They are.
So bleach. I used to use bleach when I did a deep clean of the girls' bathroom or something, trying to get the mold off the walls in the shower, stuff like that. Bleach.
And then you probably had
I
trouble
would
breathing the rest of
inhale
the day.
it. No, I would burn out my sinuses. Like
Mhm.
I could feel them burn. And then, I know I got the bathroom really cleaned because I can't breathe. Well, that's actually not really what's supposed to happen.
No. And you definitely don't need bleach, regardless of the commercials that you see on TV, to kill bacteria and to get things clean.
Yeah, lots of other products can help you, eliminate your viruses, your bacterias, any fungals you have hanging around.
Mm-hmm.
There's lots of things that can get rid of that stuff.
Lots of natural stuff that you probably already have in your house. Like
vinegar. We are here to tell you all about that.
I know.
Vinegar, my favorite.
Now, I will say there is a caveat on vinegar. Don't use it anywhere near or around granite because it will pit your granite and then you'll be very upset.
Yes, but you know what you can use on your granite?
Mm-hmm.
Alcohol, either rubbing or drinking.
Yes. Vodka, grain alcohol, those kill. I mean, that kills all kinds of stuff. Like your liver.
Maybe if you're having a cold, you should drink more. I don't know. Oh wait, no, we just said don't drink alcohol. Never mind. I take it all back. But if you do equal parts of rubbing alcohol or vodka with water in a spray bottle, you can use that on your countertops all the time.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's really good for those porous surfaces, your granites and slates and whatever.
Grout in the bathroom, that kind of stuff.
Oh, good one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Lemon juice, another good one. Also,
so good.
I know, and it smells wonderful. I mean, it smells clean, and you can use it to get stains out of clothes. You can get it. It's
Be
really
careful.
Yeah.
And make sure it's color fast.
Yeah, that's true. Good point. Or stains like on your cutting board, you can use little lemon juice and salt and just rub that right on out.
Or even just cut a lemon in half with a little bit of. It's good for your metal pans. Your cast iron skillet and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
What else, Heather?
Baking soda. We buy the huge bag at Costco of baking soda.
We do too.
I mean, we just sprinkle it on things. I make paste out of it with either vinegar or next thing I like to use is Castile soap. So I'll use a little bit of that to give it that detergent quality. But there's no chemical detergents in Castile soap, which is amazing.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And then, you can
grease.
It definitely, I was going to say, it definitely helps with grease, and you can make up that cleaner that rhymes with not
Soft
rubbed.
Rub.
Yes.
The one that's not hard, that doesn't like to just not, I don't know.
Exactly. The one that's
2 words sounds like.
It's great for on stainless steel, like to clean your sink, make it all shiny again.
Olive oil is really good for polishing things too, like wood or
Again, add a little drop of lemon and or some lemon. I would use lemon essential oil in that sense, so that you don't have the acidity from the actual lemon when you polish your wood.
Other essential oils that are really good to help combat your vinegar smell and also do their own cleaning. Tea tree oil.
Oh, tea tree is amazing.
Yeah. And then thieves.
Which, if you've ever been to a yoga studio, they generally use that to clean the communal mats, a tea tree mixture. So you know that's good.
It's great for your face. It's great for
Mhm.
your house.
Yep. And then, of course, there's always the Thieves Household Cleaner, which is amazing. It comes in a concentrated formula. So you use literally like a cap full of it and then add some water. I like to add a little bit of vodka as well to that and then use that for my counters. It keeps them nice and shiny.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Yeah.
We use the Thieves Household Cleaner for everything. I'll do
Everything.
a nice bottle with 2 or 3 capfuls for the bathroom cleaner.
Mhm.
And then window cleaner, it's like a quarter of a cap
Yeah.
with a touch of just a teeny touch of the Castile soap. And I have bottles of Thieves Household Cleaner all over the house.
Varying strengths.
Varying strengths. So you have something you can use safely that your kids and your pet can be around, and it'll get the job done.
Yeah.
For sure.
So some of the recipes that we've come up with, we get so I have a book. It's called The Organically Clean Home by Becky, I'm going to butcher this, sorry, Rapinchuk. She's at cleanmama.net, but we'll link to her book. It's amazing. It's all recipes for pretty much everything you might need in your house. And a lot of it you can make ahead of time. Some of it, from dishwasher detergent to laundry soap to foaming hand soap to window cleaner, etc. All over the house, just using natural stuff like that we've talked about. And then what's some other ones, Heather?
The one that I like a lot here is a carpet refresher. And I'm reading from a different book. It's from Natural Health Magazine, 1001 Natural Ways by Laurel Vukovic. And it's literally 1001 different ways. Natural things.
Literally.
I love that. Don't judge a book by the cover, except this one. You can. So, it tells you what's right inside.
It tells you.
So the Natural Carpet Freshener is 20 drops of lavender essential oil with 2 cups of baking soda. So you just mix it together with a whisk and then sprinkle it on your carpet and then vacuum it up after a couple hours. And it's really lovely. Your house smells so nice. I know we get a little bit of dog smell every now and again. So I know.
Now, would that be from the kids or from the actual dog?
This whole episode makes me sound like such a dirty person. I'm not. I'm telling you. We are clean people here. I spent hours yesterday cleaning out one of my kids' rooms. We pulled out the bed, vacuumed behind it. Seriously, we are not dirty people. But I do like to freshen up the carpet every once and again with just baking soda and essential oils. It's lovely. And then throw a little vacuum on there.
Super easy.
Super duper. If you guys have any things that you're looking for, and maybe you looked at some stuff online and you're not quite sure if it works or whatever, let us know. We're happy to try things out for you.
Yeah, drop us a note on our Facebook page. We'll get back to you.
Or we'll find something you need.
Mm-hmm. And then there's another set by Melissa Pepping. It's called The Chemical Free Home. And she's got, as far as I know, there's a set of 3 books right now that she keeps building on. And that, again, all kinds of things that you can use in your house that's all chemically free.
Yeah, and they're easy things.
Yeah.
The nice thing about doing chemical-free cleaners, it's not that hard.
Mm-mm.
You go in your cabinet where you already have your vinegar, your lemon juice, your baking soda, and then you can mix up a concoction based on what the cleaning product is,
what the end goal is,
and the job.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
and then the good thing is a lot of it is make it once, use it a bunch of time on a bunch of different things so you don't have to have 4,000 bottles of things under your kitchen sink or in your laundry room or wherever you keep that stuff. You can have 3 products, 5 products to make anything that you're looking for. And you don't have to use it in a well-ventilated area so that you don't burn out your lungs. And you don't have to worry that if your kid is helping you clean, that they're going to have chemicals on them and they have to go wash your hands and don't breathe it and what have you. No, make them clean with you. I mean, you should wear gloves anyway to protect your pretty nails. Of course. But you don't need to use gloves so that you don't burn off your skin, which is a nice thing. I think
It's a bonus.
it is a bonus.
For sure.
So we'll link to all these resources in the show notes, but I think our Ditch and Stitch is pretty clear this week.
Bleach? Go buy some more at the store?
No. Ditch the bleach. You don't need it to get rid of the cooties. Go to Costco, spend $20 on vinegar, baking soda, Castile soap.
Maybe 15.
Maybe
They
15.
sell the Dr. Bronner brand at Target too.
Oh yeah, all the smells.
And Trader Joe's.
Yeah.
So you can get it easily. You don't have to do the whole, Amazon shipping unless you want to.
Yeah. But yeah, so ditch that stuff, make your own. It's super easy, and you can cute it up if you want with some cute labels and jars and whatever you want. But super easy and super healthy. So Yay.
So thanks, people. We appreciate you listening in, and please head over to foodmoose.com and sign up for the newsletter. We'll send you some fun things about once a month, and check us out on Facebook and Instagram, obviously at Food Moose. That's our tag. And if you are a subscriber, thank you. If you're not, please become one. Why wouldn't you want to be a subscriber? What's wrong with you? And sorry. I get a little crazy.
She says with love.
Exactly. So please write us a review if you can. Not after you just heard that part where I yelled at you, but it helps other people find this podcast, and we would love that. So from both of us, the P and the H of Food Moose, go forth, be real, Moose out.